Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to configure the HW12 smartwatch with your smartphone. Okay, so before proceeding, make sure that the watch is completely charged. Okay, the charging cable for the watch is included in the box. Okay, make sure that using an original adapter for charging the watch, like an original Samsung adapter or an original Huawei adapter. Okay, so the watch gets charged fast. Otherwise, it'll take longer to charge the watch, and you may have other issues. So it's better to use an original adapter. Okay, so once the watch is completely charged, what you need to do is that you need to install an app on your mobile phone, on your smartphone, called WearFit Pro. Okay, so you need to install this on your smartphone. Okay, so the app is already installed, and once it's installed you will get the screen. So it's very important you agree and allow all permissions and agree on everything, because it's important that you agree and allow, because it is very important for the watch to make calls and receive notifications and give appropriate permissions for the watch and for the app on the smartphone. Okay, otherwise if you don't do that, then what happens is that you may not receive certain notifications and you will have other configuration issues. So here what we'll do is that we'll agree. Click on allow, confirm. Okay, so here what you need to do is that if you already have this sort of app installed on your smartphone before, if you're using another smartwatch, then you can enter your username and password. Otherwise you need to register and create a new account. On the top you can see there's a register button, click there. Okay, you can enter your email address. Okay, after you've entered your email address, you can click on send the verification code. Okay, so once you click on the send, once you click on this, you will receive an email. On the email that you have specified here, there will be a 6 or 7 digit code, that 5 to 7 digit code that you need to enter over here. Okay, and once you have entered it over there, click on this icon and you can go to the next step, and then you have registered. So it's important that you remember the email, and it'll ask you for the password in the next step. Okay, if it's important that you remember your email and the password that you have entered here. So once you have logged in, you will get this sort of a message as we have told before. Allow and agree on everything. Click on turn on. Okay, so you have notification access for WearFit Pro. Turn on, allow, go back. Okay, enable self-starting permission. You have to make the permissions for your phone as per what is shown here. Okay, we'll just do this one, and now we need to connect the smartwatch. So what we do is that we click on devices, we click on add device, turn on GPS, we turn on location access. Okay, click on allow so that it turns on the Bluetooth. It's now searching for the watch. The watch name is HW12. Click on that one. So it's now connecting to the watch. It's connected successfully. Carry out. Okay, so the watch is now successfully connected. Okay, a few other settings that you need to do in your Bluetooth is, okay, so now there's another setting that you need to do to connect calling. You can see that there's an option here for phone and Bluetooth. Just click on that to enable it. Okay, and you can come into the Bluetooth settings of your phone, and you can click on search, and you can see watch call. Okay, just click on that watch call, and you can see that it's connected. Okay, here are a few settings that we would recommend is phone audio, media audio. It's better to turn it on, because you can see that there's actually a speaker here on your watch, so you can listen to all the sounds on your watch as well, and it's better to enable contact sharing as well. Okay, now since those settings are done, there are a few other settings that we can that we recommend is notifications. You click on notifications, click on allow. And then you get the screen. Okay, so turn on notifications, click on allow, turn on, okay, turn on the notifications that you need. Here we're just turning on all notifications. Okay, so you will actually receive the notifications over here. Okay, favorite contacts is you can actually add okay, favorite contacts is you can click on this and you can see you can add, when you click on the plus icon, it'll actually you can actually add contacts from your address book in your phone into the list over here, and these will actually get downloaded onto your phone. Okay, so when you go to the other settings, you can see there's a setting called raise your wrist. Okay, so this is basically when the watch is, when you lift the watch, you can see that it's actually on. When I lift it, then it actually goes. When you lift it, it comes on. So this is basically the setting that this actually controls that setting. Okay, fine. Now coming to the watch, since everything is configured, now we can set that the Bluetooth call is on. Okay, so when you click on this once again, you can see that you have the honeycomb kind of menu. Okay, where you can zoom in and zoom out using the dial over here. You can go to the call section. There's no call history. The contacts, there are no contacts. How to add actually contacts is using the screen from here by adding the contacts. So those contacts get downloaded over here. Okay, this is a dial pad. You can actually make a call from here. Let's try to make a call. Okay, and let's try to call right now. You can see that the actual call is initiated from your phone. Okay, and then you can actually see the call logs. The call logs are there. Now let's try to send some few notifications. Okay, now let's test the notifications. You can see that we've actually received notifications. Okay, so that way you can also swipe up and you can see the notifications here. By clicking on delete, you can actually delete the notification. Okay, you also get notifications by sending an email, so that also will come up over here. Okay, a few other options is here you can actually go into settings. Okay, here you can control many of the settings over here. Okay, and especially the sound, this is to actually increase the sound, okay, on the watch, and the way to change, how to change the language settings, and you can change it from English to Arabic. Okay, this is the stopwatch, your notifications, message notifications. Okay, now how to change the dial. Okay, if you want to change the dial, you can do that from your mobile phone over here. Okay, now regarding the watch face, if you want to set a custom watch face, how do we do that is, you can see watch faces, click on more. Okay, there are already some preset watch faces here, but you will have to pay for these watch faces, but you can always set your own watch face. Click on, just go down here and you can see custom screensaver, edit it. Okay, click on add, click on allow. Okay, you can actually take a camera shot and then set it, or you can select a picture from your gallery. Okay, so if I want this particular thing, click on that, select, click on apply. If you want to crop it, okay, you can crop it how you want to do that, and click on crop and click installation. You can see there's actually installing right now. You can see that the watch face is already downloaded. Okay, you can always change the style of this from here. You can see what color or text that you want. You can always customize that. Where the position of it, where do you want to place the, where do you actually want to place the time, okay, the style, which color you want. You can always customize that, and again you can send it over here. Okay,